Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change or delete music on Instagram post. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Okay, tap on plus icon. Okay. Choose your image. Click. Then next. Add on music. Okay, done. Click on next, then share. Okay, just wait few seconds and try another post. Click on this post, tap on three dot option, scroll down, click on edit, tap on more option. Okay, then back, okay, then tap on edit option and customize your music. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.